Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Today we are going to talk about online game addiction symptoms and treatment options. Some folks find stress relief in playing online games on their computer or mobile device. There are others that develop an addiction, though. Online gaming is actually not as bad as most people believe. Playing games on mobile devices can help people feel less stressed if they use them appropriately. However, playing online games frequently can also have negative effects, one of which is addiction, which is a component of mental problems. Online game addiction has been linked to an increase in stress and despair, apathy, and even violence, according to a number of studies. As a result, treatment for this kind of addiction is required. The following are common indications and symptoms of online game addiction. Every play always takes a long time, sometimes getting longer every day. Becomes agitated and annoyed when asked to quit playing games or banned from doing so. Always keep online gaming in mind when completing other tasks. How is addiction to online games possible? Online gaming might result in overzealous passion or satisfaction. Dopamine, a hormone that promotes emotions of joy when someone succeeds or wins, is released in the brain, which causes this condition. Additionally, dopamine supports the retention of interest and focus. The release of the dopamine hormone is what ultimately causes someone to get addicted to games or substances like alcohol or narcotics. The effects of addiction will undoubtedly worsen if this mental condition is not treated, since the release of dopamine will increase. How to stop being addicted to online games? Online gaming can lead to addiction as well as other negative consequences, such as an increase in aggressive attitudes and conduct, particularly in young children under the age of 10. People who are sensitive to the light from screens may also experience seizures. Even worse, it causes a person to retreat from social interactions. You can use the following strategies to stop online game addiction in kids and adults from getting worse. 1. Determine how long you plan to spend playing online games. The amount of time spent playing online games can interfere with regular activities if you have an addiction. Therefore, make an effort to estimate the entire amount of time you or your child spends playing online games. Managing your playing time will assist you avoid overdoing it. Try keeping track of how long you spend playing the game every day or per week. Ask your family or other close friends to assist you keep track of the time if you're experiencing problems. Then, when compared to your regular hobbies, perhaps you have spent all of your valuable time playing online games. You can learn when you shouldn't play games by reading this note. This note may be useful to you for future doctor visits and examinations. 2. Reduce gradually, do not quit abruptly. If you play online games for 20 hours every week, that translates to almost a full day. It's time to slow down if this duration is present. Try to shorten the time, since stopping or turning off the game screen is not difficult. For example, 20 hours subtracted to only 18 hours. Set a goal to cut your playing time by 2 hours each week so that you only spend roughly 4 hours total by the end of next month. 3. Make the decision to stop. Strong will is the most crucial component in conquering any addiction. It is a potent tool that may combat any addiction, even an addiction to online gaming. How you set priorities in your life is the important part of this. It will be simpler for you to get acclimated to quitting gaming once you realize that there are still many things that are more essential than playing video games. You can divert this in children by increasing physical exercise or inviting him to play conventional games. 4. Feel free to configure automated settings. You can utilize your device's feature to switch it off automatically if your reminder clock is unable to prevent you from playing. To make you stop doing it, this must be done. When you have self-control and the ability to stop, you can utilize the original technique, only with a reminder clock. 5. Buy yourself a present. What drives you to keep playing the same games over and over? Of course, winning each level and collecting your rewards. So, give this approach a shot if you want to overcome your addiction to playing online games. Reward yourself if you can cut down on the time you spend playing online games and switch them out for other productive activities. For instance, you can eat the foods you love while visiting a destination you admire. This is powerful enough to defeat addiction and is self-fulfilling too. 6. Seek medical advice. Do not hesitate to speak with a psychologist or doctor if you find that the methods for overcoming online game addiction that have been described are ineffective. They will provide you and your child with more effective methods and treatments to assist you both overcome this addiction. Thanks for watching Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.